Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to walk you through the process of adding a phone number to your Temu app account. Whether you're trying to update your contact info or simply adding a new number, we've got you covered. This is a quick and easy guide, so let's start. First, open the Temu app on your phone. Now tap the settings icon in the top right corner to open your account settings. From the settings menu, select Account Security. Here, tap on Mobile Phone Number. This is where you can add your phone number. Enter your phone number, and once you've done that, you'll receive a confirmation code via SMS. Simply enter the confirmation code you receive via SMS to verify your number, and you're all set. And that's it. You've successfully added your phone number to your Temu app account. It's a simple process that only takes a couple of minutes. If this video helped you out, be sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more easy-to-follow guides. We post tutorials and tips all the time to make your tech life easier. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. I'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.